Good afternoon, traders. Welcome back, Team Trades. Welcome back to J Trades TV. If you're new to my channel again, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, sorry, welcome to J Trades TV, where we do discuss stock-related contents and more. I have returned back because waiting on the Fed meetings to kick off at 2 o'clock. So right now I'm still waiting. It's still a little waiting game for me. So, I'm being patient about it. So again, I told you I wasn't going to force any trades. Now I do have my Facebook up and running. So Facebook is good to go to. So Facebook is, we got this now. I finally got my Facebook running, Facebook Live up and running. It's like, God, finally got it though. We got it. So now I'm available on Facebook, Twitch, Twitter, Rumble, Tradecaster. Anything you can think of, I'm all over the place right now. So we keeping it moving. Right now, we are still in this channel because I already told y'all. Because didn't I not tell y'all? I said we stay at this bottom where we build this little channel. You getting in at the bottom of this little base. You remember, if we got in for a put, you can ride that bad boy on down. You get in for a call, you can ride that bad boy on up. And look what we hit close towards the upper portion of that channel. I told you. Patience, man. You got to have patience. Patience is a virtue, man. You can't play with that. But, man, I'm glad to see y'all back in here, man. But, yeah, I do got Facebook up and running, too. So, man, I'm on all streams right now. I'm killing it. The only thing I got next is TikTok. But so far, we do have the Fed meeting that's going to be kicking off in about 11 minutes. And let me go ahead and break this down on what am I talking about. Basically, what I am talking about, we do have the Fed's meeting right here, the minutes of Fed's December meeting that will be at 2 o'clock. So keep that on watch. And for tomorrow, 8:15, we're going to have the ADP employment. 8:30, we will have the initial jobless claims. And at 9:45, we will have the S&P final U.S. service PMI. So we're going to definitely be keeping everything on watch. So between tomorrow, between 8:15 to 9:45, we should see some volumes moving into the market. So, but as of now, everybody will be keeping their eyes peeled for the Fed's meeting. So that's why I didn't trade yet. I was sitting on my hands waiting for the right opportunities. So if you did get in the call for a call and you got in at these bottom areas, congratulations on that. But I did alert that to tell y'all the areas that we would be bouncing in. So if y'all caught it, congratulations. If you didn't, sit on your hands, just wait for the opportunities to present itself. So yeah, I'm excited, man. I got Facebook up and running, man. It took me forever today to kind of figure this out. I'm like, man, how do I get my Facebook up and run? But I got it though. We good to go. So let me see. Did I update my oh yeah, let me go ahead and put in the 2 o'clock. Let me put in the Fed's meeting information. Where we at? I'm gonna post them on all platforms. As far as the Fed's meeting, we do have the Fed's meeting at 2 o'clock. So let me go ahead and update. Put it on my Twitch. Put it on my YouTube. I need to find one. I need to put that at 2 2 p.m. 2 p. Eastern. All right, so Feds meeting at 2 p.m. All right, cool. Got that. Let me go ahead and put it on my YouTube as well. Go ahead and update that one. Come on now. Why is my YouTube not posted on my Rumble? Rumble good to go. All right, YouTube, why are you acting funny right now? Why I can't post? Oh, I know why. Duh. See exactly what I did. All right, cool. So we good to go. Man, but how's everybody doing so far? I know I'm back on the scene. Well, I mean, I didn't talk to y'all earlier, but did everybody trade? You still sitting on your hands, still waiting on the opportunity? What we doing? Let me know your game plans. So how do I get my Facebook chat now? So now I gotta figure out how to do that. So I gotta figure out how to do the pop-up chat for my Facebook, so I can talk to everybody on here. Man, it's a lot of stuff to learn. Okay, here we go, pop out. So can I put? Okay, so let me go ahead and post a little comment, but I don't think I can. Got my little pop out comment for my Facebook. Got that rocking and rolling. But why is it that's a whole link though. Why is it not just popping out, giving me a regular it is what it is. So yeah, I am live, like I said, on Facebook too. So TikTok is next. We're gonna be up and running. And like I said, man, if y'all on my channels from again, YouTube, Twitch, Twitter, Rumble, man, do show your boy some love. Smash the like button, leave a comment, share, whatever you have to do, you know, to help your boy get his name out there, because I'm trying to help everybody, man. I don't care, white, black, I don't care what you are. I want to see, I mean, the only thing we focus on is green. That's the only color that matters to us is green. So, like I said, I don't care what color you are. So, I'm looking out for everybody. I want everybody to win. So, Nuno, who else? Marty, Trey Life, who else? Anybody in chat? Let your boy know. Did y'all jump in? Did y'all still sit on y'all hands? Y'all doing anything? Jenna, anybody? Y'all making any moves? Or y'all still just waiting? What we doing? We got 7 minutes till the Feds meeting. So I'm trying to figure out what is it on. Let me see something real quick. So I'm trying to think. Is it gonna be on YouTube? Or is it just gonna be a statement? What is it? Did they say anything what it's gonna be? Exactly. Cause I went to the Feds YouTube, but I ain't see anything. Let me go back to Feds. See, I don't see anything. Videos, lives, nothing. So it gotta be. I wonder if it's just a statement that they're putting out. Y'all got any information on that? Minutes. I know. I wonder if it's a statement. I wonder if they're actually going live. That's what I'm trying to figure out. Is it going to be a statement, or they're going to actually do a meeting today? Because I'm on the Fed's reserve on their website. I mean, on their YouTube, but I don't see anything. No speeches. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna be speeches either. Pete, I think it's gonna be a statement. I think so, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. Get on my Streamlabs, because now I can add my Facebook. Now I can add my little Facebook counter to it too. Man, I'm crump now. I can add all my counters to it. Now let me add my Facebook. I'm crump. Where do I go at for my view counter? My view counter. What we got? 5 minutes. 5 minutes. I'm still sitting on my hands. Haven't traded. We still haven't hit those highs yet. I'm still just sitting on my hands waiting for everything to start lining itself up. So I'm just letting y'all guys know I have not jumped in anything just yet. Still being patient, sitting on my hands right now. Let me hurry up and get this little view counter out the way. I want to put my Facebook on there now, since I got Facebook up and running now. So we good to go. Where's my view counter? I see my tips box. I see my chats. Where is the view counter? Let me type in view. I could have sworn I seen that bad boy somewhere. Oh, there we go. View count. All right, so let me go ahead and add Facebook to it. Boom. Got that bad boy. Let me save that. Go ahead and copy. Let me see my Facebook. See my little Facebook counter gonna open up too. Let me see if it works. Let me check it out real quick. I want to see. Where you at? Where you at? View count. There we go. Is it on there? Or do I have to add it on there? Let me see. Still don't see Facebook on it though. Just added it on there. Oh, I do see it. I'm gonna have to move it over. I do see it. It's right behind my dang. So I'm gonna have to stretch that out later. I ain't gonna have no time to do it right now. We got stuff to focus on. Yeah, I'm gonna fix that later. I'll fix it later. I mean, I see it. I just gotta fix it. That'll work. That's cool. That's cool. I'll rock with it. But okay, I got my whatchamacallit on there. We good to go. I'm gonna try to stretch out my little ball more though now. So we got 3 minutes. 3 minutes till. Yep, so I can add all of that to my little background. I need to pinpoint everything. Oh, that's a link right here? Let me check it out. Let me check it out. Alright, let me see if it goes to something. Alright, cool. I got it. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. All right. Yep, at 2 o'clock. So 2 o'clock. So let's see what they're gonna say. We got what, 3 minutes till? So I'm gonna put on this side until they release anything. So I had a feeling it was gonna be more of a statement. It wasn't gonna be too much of nothing. So we're gonna keep it on watch. It's just a link to share the meeting minutes and definitions about the minutes. Yeah, I mean, but if they're not doing a video, it's probably gonna be a statement. I'm thinking. I mean, but we about to see in about 2 minutes. Let's see what's about to happen on SPY. Let's see if we're gonna either get some volatility moving in at 2 o'clock. We got 2 minutes till, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see what's happening. I mean, this money making time. I haven't traded yet. I've been sitting on my hands for this moment. So I got to make this trade because I'm trying to take Nuno out. I told Nuno I was gonna get him. He thought I was playing. I told Nuno I'm gonna catch him. Let me make sure my contracts is where they need to be. Make sure I got my puts contract set. I got it set for the 3rd. Yeah. What is it? Is it set for the 3rd? One. Yeah, it is set for the 3rd. Okay, cool. All right, we got 1 more minute till. 1 more minute. We're going to see what's going to happen. Let's see what's about to happen. Trying to see if they give us anything, if anything pop up, though, but... And I'm also keep on CNBC, too, to see if we get anything on there. So I'm going to check that as well to see if they say anything. Yeah, the markets are looking down. I'm just waiting on this bad boy to set itself up because I'm waiting. I'm waiting. All right, here we go with this crap again. I'll start this jump. Not at this time. I don't need you doing this to me right now. 10 seconds. I'm about to reline my stuff up real quick. About to come back on. All right, cool. See what we got. It's about to take place. Let's see. Oop, look like some movement's up. Let's see what we got. Here we go. What we got? Let me get my contracts ready. So far, any updates, any news, anything yet? I'm checking them out to see if we have anything. Still no updates yet. Still nothing. Right now, we're still testing at that 470.50 mark. We're still testing here. We still haven't broken out yet. We haven't tested the top portion of this channel. I'm about to see. Look like it's starting to get weak again. Uh-oh. Come on. Let me get my contracts real quick. What are my contracts at? Where you at? Let me get this out of the way. What we got? Just chop market, still indecisive. Yep, there it is. Here we go. Let's see. Let's see. I'm gonna keep it on watch. Keep it on watch. Let me pick my contracts. Make sure I'm good to go. Let me see. I just need some movements on up real quick. Let's see where we at. Where we at? I need a good contract. Good contract for my puts. So let me set my puts up here so y'all can tell when I'm about to jump into a trade. Right now, everything is still holding too. So we still topping out. Man, what was the low on that? 60 cents too? Oh, yeah, buddy. Here it is. If this don't hold, like I said, the minute we get underneath this VWAP and it's 50, we start to cross over. I'm keeping it on watch. Keeping it on watch. We're still underneath the downtrend. Keep that in mind. We're still underneath the downtrend, ladies and gentlemen. We're still underneath the downtrend. Overall, look at this downtrend. Look at this downtrend. We're still here. So let's see. I'm still keeping it on watch. I haven't jumped in yet. Still watching. Still watching. Let's see what it does. Let's see. Let's see. What I got this on 5 minutes. Let me set it back on 10, 10, 5, 10, 5, 10, 5. Hurry up, 10, 5, 10, 5. Where you at? Where you at? There we go. Starting to see some downside. I'm starting to see the indicators curling right now. I'm starting to see some curls. We're right back underneath 470. 470. Uh-oh. Here we go. Let's see. God. Wish I would have caught that 60 more. God, I would have been up. Still haven't crossed there. We still haven't went underneath. I want to see a crossover. I want to see a nice crossover there at 50. That's what I'm focused on. All right, now we looking like we about to cross. Let's see. Any news yet? Y'all got any news? Let me see if Deck talking about anything. Is he talking about anything? Nothing yet. No, CNBC. All right, here we go. Here we go. For the interest rates likely for 2024, we're up here provide just a little way. All right, let's find the numbers. Here we go. We're to benchmark rate steady in the range of 5.25% to 5.5%. All right, I'm also post that on my I'm gonna post it on my lobby as well, so y'all have that as well. So let me post that real quick. All right, save that. Let me go ahead and close this bad boy out. So we'll have it saved in the links for the Feds meeting. So I already got that set. We still looking kind of rocky though. Still looking a little bit, little downish right now. Little downish. Remember, we got to break this support, especially for puts. For puts, we definitely want to get back under. If we crack this 480, 468.84, we can definitely see some more downside. I mean, we still under that downtrend overall, and I mean we are getting weak. You see this, huh? We're definitely getting weak. Still getting weak. The indicators are curling down. Everything's starting to look like it's in motion right now. In motion for the downside. For the downside. Uh-oh. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see what we do. My main focus is I want to see this crack of this 480, 468.84. Right here we had this bounce. I want to see this support line give away. I definitely want to see some more downside, but we are turning. Them indicators are turning. Are turning. Keeping it on watch. Keeping it on watch. Pete, Marty, any one of y'all, gentlemen, what y'all game plan? What y'all up to? What y'all got playing right now? Cause it is starting to turn. It's starting to turn just a little bit. It hasn't dropped like completely yet. We haven't dropped. I'm still keeping it on watch. Still keeping it on watch. Still keeping it on watch. We're still pulling back. Still pulling back. Uh-oh, here it is. Think we about to catch it. Think we about to catch it. We about to catch it. Looking like we about to test that 468. Here we go. Here we go, puts. Here we go. Is this it? Oh, and we underneath the 50. Uh-oh. Let's see. Let's see what we get. What we get. Yeah, that bad boy yanking. Oh, Jesus. Waiting on more deciphers. I mean, so far, I mean, like I said, all your indicators are pointing down. So, I mean, even if you get a move back on up, your indicators are pointing down, Pete. I mean, even if you get a pop back on up, your indicators are still pointing down at this time. So now you got to think about the indicators going to hold up as resistance. Your 9, your 20, your VWAP, and your 50 at this moment. So all of this is going to hold up as resistance. Even though it's going back up to the top, you're going to have a lot of resistance now. It's going to have a lot of resistance coming up that it needs to break. If not, we're going to see a nice little turn around once all over again. We about to find out. I don't mind a little pullback. Let's see what we get. Right now I haven't jumped in, Cherry, because I was waiting on confirmation. But right now, everything seems like it's starting to turn. So I'm still keeping my eyes peeled right now. We are underneath the indicators. Everything's starting to reverse at this moment. Let me see what we get. Let me keep my eyes on it real quick, because we are starting to hit around resistance, because now your indicators, instead of being support, is not going to be resistance, because you're underneath all your indicators, plus the VWAP, plus the open. So let's see what we get. I wouldn't mind a nice little pullback. Let's see where we at. What's my lows on these bad boys? Let me see what's the lows on these contracts real quick. Let's see what's the lows before it pop right back on up. Let me see. 30, about 40-ish. See, it's gonna move on up. Let it move up. Let me see. I'm keeping on watch. I haven't jumped in yet. Just letting y'all guys know. Haven't jumped in yet. Not yet. Still waiting for everything to set itself up. Still keeping on watch very closely. Indicators are still holding, but we still haven't crossed that 50 yet. It's going sideways. Indicators going sideways. We haven't crossed just yet. Not yet. Still keeping it on watch. We still bound. Like I said, we need to crack that 468.84. Still showing signs of weakness, though. I mean, it's again, all your indicators going to be resistance now instead of support, because you're underneath them. So everything still seems to be pushing down. At this moment. Still seem to be pushing. Keeping it on watch. Haven't jumped in yet. Still looking, still watching. Just letting y'all know. Keep y'all updated. Have not jumped in yet. But everything still seems to be pointing to the downside, though. Yep, right here. Looking like it want to cross. Let's see what happens. Let's see what we get. On these next candle. What I got? 3-minute candles. What we got? What? 1 more minute for the next candle to form. 1 more minute for the next candle to form. I'm just keeping my eyes on it. Not in yet. Still sideways. It still hasn't crossed, so I'm still keeping my eyes on it till I get full confirmation. Look like we starting to cross now. Look like we starting to cross. Let me keep it on there. Just still watching. Not yet. It's not giving me a full confirmation just yet. See, that's why you got to pay close attention to details. Close attention. I'm not jumping in yet. Not yet. Nope, not yet. So let me see, 470. So we're going to have 470 resistance. Let's see if that's going to hold underneath 470. Because you got to pay attention to your price points too. Just don't look at the candles. You got to pay attention to your prices. Pay close attention to your price actions. So now your 470 is holding up as resistance. You got rejected. So everything's starting to go underneath. See, your indicators is going underneath 470. So that's still indicating weakness at this time. Everything's starting to shift underneath 470. You see this? Pay close attention. Close attention to details. Your indicators are starting to shift underneath. So now 470 is resistance. Your indicators are resistance. Now you're getting back on the VWAP. You're open. So let's see. Keep it on watch. Got to set on a 3-minute candle. Keep it on watch. Let's see what happens. Should start getting some downish soon. Still keep my eyes on it. Haven't got in yet. Not yet. 470. You can see right here. Rejected. Keep my eyes here on this price point. 470. Keep my eyes on it. Just keep my eyes on it. All right. We're still testing it. 470. We're still testing. Haven't jumped in. Just letting you know. Haven't jumped in yet. Not yet. Let it do what it do. Let it wear itself out. Because do remember, we still have the bottom base of this channel. Keep that in mind. That 470, that 468.84, still going to hold up as support. Bounce. bounce. So keep that in mind. This is the bottom portion of your channel. This is the upper portion. This is your resistance. This is your support. Support right here, support is at 468.84. Your resistance is up here around the 470.96 up to 471. Even if we can't get up this high, back up to these high levels, my main focus is right here. See how we got rejected, 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 rejected underneath 470. Then we turn it to support. We bounce, we bounce. We are still above the VWAP, still above 470. These are my main focuses right here. If we stay above these areas, I'm not going just yet. Not yet. I need to get more clarification. I need to get more confirmation. Still pushing. Still trying to push and stay above that 470 mark. This 470 range. Still no go for me. Still no go for me. Not yet. Not yet. Everything, your indicators seem to be turning up. Still not going. Not yet. Still not yet. You're going to still have your open. Open is still holding up as resistance. Now you're going right back on the 470. Keep that in mind. You're going back on the 470. Back on the 470. Here we go. Let's see. Let's see. Back on the 470. Always pay close attention to your price points. We got rejected here in the past. This can turn right back into resistance. Keep your eyes on this 470 mark. 470. We back underneath 470. VWAP is trying to hold. Look like we're slowly cracking in VWAP too. Keep your eyes peeled on these areas. Pay close attention. We got to get confirmation. Confirmation, confirmation. All right, what we got left on this candle? We got Let me see. Still holding, still holding, still holding, still holding, still hold. The VWAP is still holding at the moment. So you're testing between the VWAP and 470. Keep it on watch. 470 still holding. VWAP look like it's getting a little weak. Keep on watch, keep on watch. 470 still holding. Going up and down, but keep your eyes on the price point. 470, 470. See what the next candle goes. Will we open up above 470 or will we open up below 470? We open up below 470, that's still going to hold up as resistance. All right, we're getting pulled back. We're back under 470. VWAP is getting weak. All right, let's wait for our next confirmation that's coming. So you got this confirmation candle letting you know that we are becoming weak underneath 470. 470 still holding up as resistance. That's still good. Puts, if you got in early above 470, that's good. As long as you're holding underneath 470, you're good to go. You're good to go. Good entry, good entry, good entry. Good entry. If you got in right underneath the open, you're good to go. Like I said, you got in above a little bit before 470, you're good to go. As long as you stay underneath, you're good. Everything is turning. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Everything is turning. We're coming right back down to the support level. What we got left? What we got left? One more minute to the next candle. It's on 3 minutes. All right, still kind of holding up at this area. Still holding up. So we need to break through the 469.40. We need to crack this. We cracked the 469.40. We're back on down to the 468.84. So let's keep this on watch. Everything is still pointing to the downside at this moment. Remember, just keep your eyes on the price point. 470. As long as you stay on the 470, you're good. No matter if you go up, down. As long as it stays underneath 470, you are good to go. Puts, you are good to go. 15 seconds to the next candle. Let's see what happens. All right, we're underneath the VWAP as well. So you are underneath the open, the VWAP, and your indicators at the moment. So everything is holding up as resistance. Next candle coming in about 4 seconds. Let's see what we got. What we got. What we got. Here we go. You're underneath 470. So that's a good thing. Puts, you're looking good. Puts, you're looking good. You're looking good, puts. Looking good, looking good. Remember, price point, 470. As long as you stay on the 470, you are good to go. 470, you good to go. Now we need to crack 469.40. Back on down to 468.84. We need to crack this support line. We crack this support line, we will see new lows. Keep that in mind. We crack 468.84. We will see new lows. All right, still looking good, still looking good. We are starting to slowly crack 469.40. Slowly. Trying to hold, but we're still seeing some more weakness. Still seeing weakness. So once we are ready to confirm that 470 is resistance. Now the next area you need to see 469.40 is resistance. Once we start to crack through these levels of support, they'll turn into resistance. So we need to crack 469.40. You good? Back on down to 468, which is your main support. Once we crack 468.84, you're good to go to new lows. If you in, good job, good job. All right, let's see these levels real quick. Let's see what we do. We underneath the VWAP still. It's gonna probably test. It's gonna probably move around in these little areas for a little bit. Just keep it on watch. Keep it on watch. Let's see what happens. Because your main high area is here. So that's around 470.50. Around that area, just slightly off a little bit. All right, 476.56-ish. Remember, all these areas will turn back into resistance. So let's see on how it's going to hold up. Let's see how it's going to hold up real quick. We're still underneath 470. Still underneath 470. Keep that in mind. We're still underneath. Getting a little push, but they're still holding up as resistance. So don't get fooled by puts. If you got in above 470 in the high area, where your risk is low and your reward is high, ride it on out. Ride it out. Don't get scared by these little moves here. Like I said, as long as we're not breaking above 470, you good to go. 470 is going to be your main resistance area at this point. And as you notice, your price points are getting weaker and weaker. You're going from the 470.50s back on down to 470s. Now your key areas, now we're back into the 460s, 469 areas. So we want to start to see the prices decrease. So you want to get back underneath 469.50 because you already know that's the $half mark. We get back underneath 469.50. We'll start to crack 469.40. So let's see. Let's keep it on watch. So you already know $half mark is going to try to find some support in this area. Let's see what happens. Remember, don't get shaken out of your plays just yet. Don't get shaken out. As long as the main key area is 470. Keep that in mind, 470. Don't get shaken out. Do not get shaken out just yet. You're still underneath the VWAP. You're still underneath 470. Still underneath your open. Still underneath the indicators. So everything's still pointing to the downside. Keep it on watch. Do not get shaken out of your positions. Where we at right now? 469.80. Let's see. Because do pay close attention to your indicators. Your 9 MA is still at the bottom. So it has not crossed over to the upside. So do keep that in mind. Your 9 MA is still sitting at the bottom. So even though you're getting these pushes, 9 MA still floating at the bottom. It's not above the rest of your indicators like it should be. Should be your 50, your 20, your 9. Your 9 is still at the bottom. Let's see what happens. So we're going to test these 470 probably once again. Let's see what's going to happen. Let's see. 470 still holding. 470 still holding. 470 is still holding at this point in time. Ladies and gentlemen, still holding. Do not get shaken out of your positions. Keep on holding. We break above 470 and run on up. Cut losses, break even. But as long as you stay underneath 470, you are good to go. Do not get shaken out of your positions. Still showing weakness. Everything is still trying to push it down. Pushing it down at this time. Pushing it down. Let's see what we got left on this indicator. We got what, 3 minutes left? Or 1. All right, here we go. Put still looking good. Still looking good. 470 still holding that bad boy down. We need to see a crack under 469.40. Then a crack underneath 468.84, which is the main area we need to crack. Because you can see right here, we bounced, went on up. So we need to crack out of this position, create some new lows. Once we start to crack out of 468.84, we will see some new lows. And you can continue to hold. I'm not even trading. I'm just coaching y'all right quick. I'm just showing you how I think when I'm trading. Because you got to coach yourself. So don't get scared out of your positions. Don't jump out. Again, you got to look at certain key areas that's holding you right now. If you see, like I said, we underneath 470. You're underneath 470. Stay underneath 470. We good to go. Do not get shaken out of your position. Do not get shaken out until we cross back above 470. Then you can, again, start to get yourself out of your positions, cut losses quickly, or break even, or whatever the case may be. But you're underneath 470. You're good to go. Now we're back testing 469.40. Boom, boom, boom. We're right back towards these areas. Let's see if we're going to hold. Everything is still pointing down. Everything's still pointing down at this point in time. Point in time. Let's see what we got. Let me see if I can create a new, trying to see if I create like a new downtrend at this moment. We haven't tested the main uptrend I wanted. Oh, shoot, my bad. Moving all this stuff around. So 470 still holding. 470 still holding. That 469.50 needs to crack. Because you remember half dollar mark. You remember whole dollars, half dollars. So 50-cent areas to the next whole number. So we need to crack 450. We need to get out of that half dollar mark. We need to start going right back underneath for 469.50. We go back underneath 469.50. We can see a crack of 469.40 back on down to the 468.84s. So this area alone right here is going to try to hold up at some type of support. But the indicators are still pointing down. Everything is still pointing downward. So this is how not to get shaken out of your position. How to have more calm, how to have more control. So again, once you start to pay attention to certain price points other than your candles moving up and down, pay close attention to the areas that it needs to stay underneath. So right here, 470, you're still holding up as resistance. That's still holding up. Even though you're getting these pushes, 470 is still holding up. So even if you got in at 470 all the way down to 469.50, take your profits. That's still a 50-cent profit. If you got in with 1,000 shares at 470 all the way down to 469.50, that's $500. Take your profits while you have it. Reset yourself. Set yourself up for the next opportunity. Plain and simple. You got in around these areas. You was good to go. Ride it on down to the half dollar mark. Down to 470 to 469.50. Go ahead and cash on out. If you have 1,000 shares, again, that's 50 cents. That's $500. Take profits while you have it. Remember, put grateful over greed. Do not get greedy. Don't bag hold. Don't get greedy. You see an opportunity. You have money in your account that you didn't have. Lock it on out. Set yourself up for the next position. But this is how to control yourself when you are into a trade. When you're in a trade. So you did jump in. I'm just trying to help control y'all, so you don't jump in, man. The indicators that I use the 9 EMA, 20 EMA, and the 50 SMA, boss. This is what I use. Active. I haven't seen Iggy. It's like he hops in and out. It's like I see him every now and then. He's here 1 minute, the next minute he's not. But again, you see right here, that half dollar mark, that 469.50, we'll try to hold because again, that's your half dollar area. We need to crack 469.50 for the move back on down. So you will be in between the 469.50 to the 470 mark. Did anybody take a put? Anybody take a trade? Did anybody get in around that 470 mark and wrote it down to the 469.50 to the 469.40 mark? If you did, congratulations. Take profits when you have it. Again, if you have 1,000 shares, that's a 50-cent profit. That's $500. Take profits when you have it. Take profits when you have it. You're moving back on up. Still keeping it on watch. Now, I haven't jumped in just yet, me personally. I haven't jumped in yet because the areas that I wanted was these high areas. I ain't gonna lie, these high areas here are 470.96. This is really what I wanted. I wanted to get into these high areas of resistance and ride it on down. Again, this was not a bad area to get in. If you got into these areas going down right here, you are good to go. Congratulations. Now my son want to call me. Right when I'm in a trade. Hey, son. Hey, son. Hey, you caught me in the middle of a trade. What's up? I mean, I got you on live right now. What's up?
Can I go to your house?
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, just I'm gonna text mom. Just let me know when you're ready.
Okay.
All right, man. Love you.
Love you too.
All right, peace.
You should make like a gay a gaming account.
I mean, I'm mainly trading. I don't do I don't do stock. I play games every now and then, but I mainly focus on stock trading. I'll let you do the games. That's your field. You heard? Ah, hung up. All right, back above the 470 range. He gonna call me right in the middle of my live too. Yes, son.
Something was wrong with my phone. It keep repeating what you said.
Okay, well, I'm gonna call you after I do my live, okay?
Okay.
All right, man. Love you. All right, man. Peace. Jesus. Gotta love it, man. Gotta love your kids, man. All right, now we have broken back above the 470 mark, okay? See, I was waiting to see. I told you I was waiting on these areas. See where I was at? That's why I sat here on my hands waiting. I was being patient. I was waiting. Let me see how high this bad boy gonna go. Now we testing to the high areas that I actually was looking for this whole entire time. I'm like, God, finally. I already had my mark set right here for the 470.96. That was intraday's high of day. So I want to see how much higher can we go. So the pre-market high of day we are testing. Not pre-market, I'm sorry, intraday's high of day. Your pre-market high of day is 472.77. That'll be your high. You just got the brush off from your boy. You said you're not Hey man, don't judge me, man. I let him take care of the games, all right? I let him take care of the games. I focus on stock trading. Cause you gotta understand, I'm putting money in his pockets so he can trade. So he can play his games. I have to trade in order for him to play his games to begin with. So I gotta focus on that. Don't you be judging me, Nate. Don't judge me, man, okay? Don't do that. Let me look at my new contract. Let me see these contracts. What they doing on these contracts? I'm just waiting for get over extensions. I'm still sitting on my hands because I'm waiting on the right setups. See, I was waiting on this. That's why I had this marked off. I had my 470.69 mark because again, this was this was today's intraday high, and then as we go here, we have pre-market's high, which is at 472.77. So either we're gonna see some I still want to run up to these highs here. I want this bad boy getting overextended. I want to get overextended. Let it move up as high as it can. And it's testing the top portion of this channel. I told y'all, man, these channel plays come in handy. Because if you put in for a put here at the top portion of the channel, you ride it on down. You getting in for a call, you ride it on up. Same thing here. You came down, ride it on up. See that? Came on down, ride it on up. That's around at 468.84. Held up as strong support. I told y'all, as long as this area hold as support, it's gonna run on up. So for your calls, you could have got in here. For your call 2, could have got on here. For call 3, could have got in on here. As long as your support area holds, you're good to go as far as on your support side, as far as on the call side. Why you think I had this channel set up the whole entire time? I was playing this channel. Why you think I didn't jump into a trade? When it was doing this, I waited. Because I knew once we got down here and we hold support, it's gonna go on up. That's why I had my channel set and look what's happening. Boom, nice little setup for my channel. Tested right around that high of today's high of day. Around that 470.69. Look at that. Boom, hit. Starting to come right underneath. And look right here, the downtrend. Look at the downtrend setup. Getting rejected right where? Downtrend. Now I'm trying to hold on top of it. Let's see. I'm keeping it on watch. I have not jumped into a trade just yet. I'm watching it. I want to see overextension. Let that bad boy get overextended. I want to see it go up as high as it can. Then I'll catch it. But if you're getting in for a call, you good. You good to go on calls. So we're still testing above the channel that I have set. See, I do have pre-market highs. Today's pre-market highs right here of 472.77. I want to see if we're going to go up test towards these highs here or towards yesterday's open, which was at 472.16. So I am sitting on my hands still. I have not jumped into a trade. I'm just trying to see what this bad boy does. What time it is? It's 2:30, 30 minutes until power hour. So I'm going to just go ahead and let that bad boy keep running. Let it run up. Sitting on my hands still. But if you did catch those puts here all the way down to that 469.50, good job. Did any of y'all jump into a trade? I mean, any puts, any calls? Team, let me know whether you're on Twitter, Instagram, or who hit me up? My son. Right above my head. It says, hey, that's my son. That boy's something else, I swear. Let me go ahead and show him some love, because I already know. Let me show him some love. He's something else. Hey, son. That boy had to hit me. He had to hit me up right when I'm in the middle of focusing on stock trading. Sitting on, yeah, me too, Nate. I'm sitting on my hands, no trades up now. That's why I had my line set up here. That's why I told you I was sitting on my hands the whole time. I was sitting on my hands the whole time until we got it up, back up towards these areas, these highs. I was not moving. Look, boom, oop, right in the channel while I got set. Look at that. Look at that. Perfect. Perfect rejection. Right at the line that I got set. Look at this. I told you. Set up them channels. They play perfect. You get in for a call at the bottom, you're going up. Get in for a call, you're going up. Get in for a call, you're going up. Get in for a put, you're going down. Get in for a put, going down. Look at this. Off of my channel, I got set. Perfect play. Look at this. I didn't move my line not one bit. Never move my line. Look at this. Look at this beauty here. Oh, look at this. That's nice. Nice. Going towards those highs that I was calling out. Look at that. Had my channel set in motion. Got rejected right at the channel too. Then bodies came on down. Boom. Perfect. Perfect. Can't get no better than this. I told you, patience is a virtue, man. I waited till I didn't wait here. I didn't wait here. What did I wait? I waited here. And look right at the downtrend. You got it. It's hitting the downtrend. You're hitting the channel. You're hitting the high of day. Everything's perfect. Look at that. Perfect. Man, you can't get no better than this. Everything came into play by me sitting on my hands waiting for the right opportunities. Look at this. Downtrend, top channel, higher day at 470.69. And look where it fell at. Tell me your boy ain't call that perfect play out. Perfect. Oh, look at that. Perfect opportunity. I told you. Puts, you get into your top portion of your channel, you ride it on down. Calls, you get here at the bottom of your channel, you ride it on up. Puts, you get here at the top portion of your channel, you ride it on down. Calls, you get here at the bottom of your channel, you ride it on up. When did I change the line to my channels? When have I changed my line? I never changed my line. My line's been here since I got off the first live, came back to the second live, and look how the market reacted off of it. Look at this. Call opportunities, call opportunities, call opportunities, put opportunities, put opportunities. I never changed my channel. Not one time. Look at that. And look how the market reacted. All because I done my research. I did my homework. I lined up my lines the way I was supposed to, set up my channel. I was not paying attention to these areas here. Where did I pay attention to? My bottom portion, my top portion, my main resistance, my main support. I did not worry about the middle here. I did not worry about the middle here. I didn't even worry about the middle here. Where did I have my line set at? 470.69. That was today's higher day. All I did was run my line across. Even when we was down here, I patiently waited. Even when we came here and fell, I patiently waited. By patiently waiting, look where we hit at. Boom. Around 470.69. Called it. Come on, man. Come on, man. Patience. Patience. All you do, you wait for the market to come to you. Do not chase the market. I never changed my line, not once. My line been sitting here since early this morning. I never changed it, and look how the market reacted to it. Look at this. Put opportunities. Look here. Put opportunities. Look here. Call opportunities. Look here. Call opportunities. Look here. Call opportunities. In the same channel I had set since this morning. Come on now. Tell me if I don't know what I'm talking about. Y'all could have been getting in on these. Y'all could have been going off of the areas that I had set for y'all. Y'all could have been riding that. You could have been going in on the call. Could have been going in on the put. Could have been going in here on the put. I mean, perfect setup. I mean, that's why I say you gotta sit and wait for opportunities. Wait for opportunities to present itself. Now, why haven't I jumped in yet? I'm gonna tell you why I haven't jumped in yet. The reason why I haven't jumped in yet, even though we way up here, is because I'm waiting for everything as far as my indicators as well to give me full confirmation. Even if we hit up here and we start to go down this way, I know for sure once I start to see everything lining itself up, I'm attacking it. As far as I see though, everything, the indicators are still on the upside. It's still on the right side it's supposed to be. What I want to see is I want to see a reversal of my indicators to let me know for sure that the market is going to get pulled down, that we are definitely going on down for a reversal. As far as, like I said, as long as I see my indicators on the upright side, the side that it's supposed to go on for the upside, look what happens. It stays on the upside. But once we start to get a reversal, when the red, as you can see, the 50, once you start to see the 50 to the top, your 20 to the bottom, 20 in the middle, and 9 to the top, what do you get? A reversal on down. When it reverses back on up, what do you get? Now, instead of the 50 being to the top, your 50 is at the bottom, your 20 is in the middle, your 9 is at the top, and what happens when it's set up like this? Market goes on up. You can see right here. Look what happens. When your indicators are on the right side of momentum, it goes on up. Your 9 EMA, your 20, your 50 is on the right side, it goes on up. When it reverses, when your 50 is at the top, 20 is in the middle, 9 at the bottom, it what? Goes on down. So now what I'm doing is sitting on my hand still, and I'm waiting for the indicators to let me know, okay, we are losing buying volume. Now the selling volume is about to move back in, and now we're going to actually reverse on down. So at this moment, as you can see, the indicators are on the upside, the right side that it's supposed to be on. Now it's going to force the market to move on up. God dang it. All these calls, I got to put my thing on vibrate. I need to focus. Focus. All big moves related to the minutes is probably done now. Volume is dropping. Like I said, boss, what I'm going to do, Pete, I'm waiting for my indicators to give me confirmation. That's all I'm doing. I'm waiting for my indicators to give me confirmation. That's all I'm waiting for. Because right now, we're what, 238? We're about what, about 22 minutes until power hour. So I'm gonna let it play itself out for 20, 30 minutes or whatever the case may be. Once the red clock hit and we start to see a reversal, oh, then I'm gonna feel comfortable. Right now, I'm not doing it only because my indicators are telling me that we still are going on the upside. So until I see a reversal like this, when we see our indicators, when you see the 50 to the top, 20 in the middle, 9 in the bottom, I'll feel better about a reversal. Till then, everything is telling me right now we on the upside. We're going to still probably slowly move on up. So I'm going to sit on my hands still and be patient. I'm going to let the market come to me. I'm not chasing the market. See how my indicators are set up? Everything's still up, pointing upright. Everything's showing that it's moving up. I'm not doing it yet. I'm not touching it. I'm not touching it. So that means we might see another retest of this 470, 60, 69. I mean 96. We do see a retest. I wouldn't mind it going up to the tops because all they're doing is hitting more resistance for me. We're going here, resistance, hit here, resistance, hit here, resistance, hit here, resistance. So it's getting more and more into more resistant areas. So that's cool with me. So the higher you go, I'm waiting for a bigger drop. That's fine with me. I'll be patient and wait on it. I'll wait for the setup. That's all I'm going to do. Are you looking to swing? No, hell no. No. Especially, the only time, AR trades, the only time I do look for swings, I'm going to be honest with you, is when I see a perfect opportunity, like, not this area. To me, this area is not don't get me wrong. We get back on the 470. I mean, it could be a perfect, it could be a perfect swing as far as, as far as puts and going down. But me personally, knowing that we're still in that 470 range, I wanted to go higher, to be honest. So we still sitting in the 470s, let it go higher. I'd rather go up to 475 and then drop back down to 470. Or let it go from 475 to 480, and then drop back down to 475. You see what I mean? Like, set yourself up into like a $5 to a $10 range. You know, right here sitting at this 470, it can still move on up to 475. You know, but I need to get confirmation. I don't want to just take a gamble on it because I've done it before. You know, I've done it before. I tried to go on swing trades. You know, was on the right side of momentum, but what happened was my the time decay kicked in due to my expiration dates because I was picking the next day contract, but it wasn't setting up the way I wanted it to. So even though I was on the right side of momentum due to time decay, it was weighing down the value of my contract. So I wasn't seeing a lot of value. So now I just do strictly day trades. I ain't gonna lie to you. Now the only time I'm gonna do a swing trade is when I know we in high levels of resistance, where I know we have a good opportunity of it coming on down, or we at low levels, and I know we have an opportunity for it to go back on up. So I set myself up for those. So normally what I'll do is to look for those type of opportunities. I'll instead of going to a 3-minute time frame, I would normally go to like a 30-minute time frame. And let me see, I'll do this. So I'll either close out my pre-market and after hours so I can see a better pattern. So I'll close out my pre-market and after hours. I'll shut it out like this. See? So I'll shut out my pre-market and after hours. I'll put all my intradays together. So let me just clear out all my lines so you can see it real quick. So what I'll do is I'll clear out all of my lines out of the way. Let me show you. I'll put all my intradays together, right? To see if I can see a bigger opportunity. See what I mean? So had I would have got around 476, look at this drop. Boom. Had I would have got around this 477, look at this drop. Boom. But look where we at right now. This is look like it's a bounce area. See that? So it looked like you already came out of your drops here, and we're coming out of another drop here, which looked like it could be finding some type of support in this little area. So that's why I wouldn't be going in for a put just yet, because everything seems to still be lining itself up in a sense. Watch. Let me show you what I mean. So if I take this, see what I mean? It still look like an uptrend, don't it? See? If I look at it from a 30-minute time frame, you bounce, you got overextended off of the uptrend, overextended. Now what it needed to do is come back down to that uptrend, and look what's happening. Yeah, bouncing. So that's why I'm like, nope, I'm not doing it. Not doing it. Nope. Until I get confirmation, full confirmation that bad boy gonna drop and continue to drop, then I'll go for a swing as far as on the put side. But here, it looks like we're trying to find some little type of bouncing area. So that's why I'm like, it found some type of support because you bounced off of this uptrend. I mean, you can clearly see it. Bounce. Had a little breakthrough, then we came right back on top of it. Bounce. Got overextended. Fell on down right back to the same area. Bounce. And look what it's doing. See what I mean? Nope. You got to pay close attention to details. Right when it's in your face, so you have to use different time frames to see a better vision. So I'm like, nope. See a bounce right here. Like I said, had I would have caught these highs, I'd have did it. Of course. Caught this. Cause especially right here, all you gotta do is put your lines across. You can see right here, resistance. Look. So if I put my line across right here where we had resistance in the past, 9 times out of 10 you're gonna have resistance again. So you can see that. See that? Whenever this was what December 20th, caught a rejection here, came on down. Same right here, same area, caught a resistance, came on down. So now you gotta look at the areas of support. I mean, that's how you have to look at it. You have to look at the overall view. So you gotta look into a different time frame. So by me looking at a 30-minute time frame, I can see a way clearer picture that I didn't miss this drop. I missed this drop, and now it look like it's bouncing off of this uptrend right here that I am not about to going for a short at this moment. So it looked like we're about to get a little bit more upside. So now we have to figure out where resistance is gonna be. Look like we're right here. We bounced around at 472. So you got support around this area. So support can turn into resistance. So as I see us pushing up, we could go right back up to the 472 mark. We could go up to the 472 and then turn back around. We could do that. Found this little bounce. It's going to start to slowly move itself right back on up to certain areas. So right here, I can see right here we bounced at 472 here, bounce, in that area, we're not too far from it. So I'd rather let it climb all the way back on up to around the 472 and see if we get some type of rejections then. But I don't want to get caught in an area that's trying to build itself right back up again unless we break 470 itself. We get back underneath 470, then that's a different story. But because once we break 470, we can break this trend line. You see this? We break 470, we can get right back under this trend line. Then I can see a further fade. But until then, we stay above 470 in this trend line, all I see is movement still on up. So we have to break 470 in this trend line to convince me otherwise that we're going to see more downside. That we're going to start to go this way versus this way. So even right here, see? I mean, I could put it towards the downtrend going this way, but it's too steep. I mean, it's too steep. It looked like an easy breakout. See, at least right here, this took time to build from, when was this? From November 30th all the way to now. I mean, it made a whole pattern. You can see this. A whole uptrend. It's like, to me right now, the downtrend is still like setting itself up, even if we do have one, that we still need to make some moves going this way to start building more of a steady downtrend. Because if I was to put a line going this way, it's just too steep. Easy for it to break up. Easy, for us to break through it. Here, this took time from November 30th all the way to now. It took time to build this uptrend. See that? We gave it time to build a nice, steady, stable area. I can't just up and just take a downtrend and build it right here. It didn't have no time to build. If that makes sense, like I said, if I put a line right here, it just looks steep. It looks like straight down versus this one. It just like perfect, like a perfect slant. See that? I mean, you bounce. It's on an uptrend. Still trying to move. And look, if you look at it closely, it almost looks like an ascending triangle. Slowly, because this is your tops. So if I move this on up from, what was the top? What was this? 477.55? Around this area here. Let me see, 477.55. See, it almost kind of looks like an ascending triangle. See that? Overall, it's like you're still going this way. But in order for us to, what I'm saying is, in order for us to avoid this continuous ascending triangle that could try to move itself back on up, we need to crack 470. If we crack 470, that'll put us underneath this uptrend. That'll kill it. That'll kill an upward movement. And then we'll start to see downside versus upside. But at this moment, and from this pattern, I see more upside than I see downside. Who the hell is calling me from? I have no idea who that is. That was random. Somebody randomly called me. Why everybody want to call me around this time? It's just randomly calling me. All right, let me go back to 10, what was my 10-minute 3? Let me put it back on my, so now that I broke all that down, now you can kind of see the clear picture while I'm not like jumping like long-term wise, while I'm just getting in and out, because I can see other patterns within the pattern. So I'm not jumping in too fast just yet, because I feel like we already had those nice down movements, from the 477s into the 476 all the way on down, back down to the low 470s. So, bruh, who is hitting me up like crazy? Who is this? Huh? I have no idea. Not even about that. I gotta stay focused. So right now we're still underneath. Like I said, we gotta crack 470. We get back underneath 470, I'll be more convinced that we will see downside. But we back underneath this channel, so that's still good. We are back underneath the channel. That's still good. We're back underneath the top portion. That's still holding up as resistance. Now what I want to start to see, as we are coming on down, I want to start to see the reversal of these indicators to let me know, okay, we are definitely going towards the downside. No more bouncing. No more trying to go back up. No more trying to break back towards these key areas. Now we start to see actual cracks. We're going to re-crack 470. We're going to crack 469.40. We're going to crack 468.84. Then yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm sitting on my hands and just patiently watching this just set itself up the way I needed to. So we do have 10 minutes before power hour kicks off. So it looked like it's want to start to slowly turn. Hey, but y'all can't lie. That channel worked out perfect. That channel definitely. I mean, that channel. I mean, it worked to perfection. I mean, you got rejected, came on down. You got rejected, came on down. Plus the downtrend itself. I mean, everything is just working out the way that it should. Look at that. Perfect. Look at the setup. I mean, this setup worked perfectly. From here to here to here. I mean, your rejections worked perfectly on this downtrend. I mean, you can't deny that. If you just sit and wait for opportunities and wait for it to set itself up, man, you good to go. So you know not to jump into areas you know you shouldn't. I mean, downtrend, boom, rejection. Downtrend, boom, rejection. Setting itself up the way that it should. Now it's confirming to me that we're going to start, now it's not going to be any more pop-ups. Now we're going to start getting weaker. Now I feel more comfortable because we got overextended, came on down, overextended, came on down. Now we look like we're about to crack the open. So which means if we get back underneath today's open, that means the green candle on the daily, it will turn red. So now I'm starting to see more confirmation. We're back underneath the downtrend. Now I'm getting way more confirmation. I feel way much more better. Instead of trying to chase here, chase here, chase here, chase here, chase here. Now everything's kind of like slowly, slowing itself down. Now I feel better. See that? Just be patient. Let it set itself up. You came up to that uptrend, got rejected, and the channel got rejected. Came up to both of these areas, got rejected twice, came on down. Now look what's happening. Now look at the price points. Now you're going from 470.96. Look at that. Around the 470.96. Now you're coming back on down. 470.75. Coming on down. 470.50. Coming on down. 470.43 where the open is. But you see your price points are slowly decreasing. Slowly decreasing. See that? Your indicators are starting to turn because you're starting to devalue now. You're losing value, which is a good thing. It's a good thing. See, your tops here, you double topped here. Now you're starting to come on down. That's all you have to do. Be patient. Wait for the right opportunities. That's it. Why? Think about it. Now, come on, team. Y'all are on my chat. Y'all see me throughout the whole entire day. When did I change my downtrend? When did I change my channel? I changed nothing. And look how the market reacted. It reacted off of my downtrend. It reacted off of my channel. And everything is working out the way that I wanted to by just sitting on my hands, waiting for the right opportunity. I didn't jump in here. I didn't jump in here. After I got this confirmation here, now I feel more comfortable because now we are showing downside. We are still underneath the downtrend. Slowly moving on down. As we get closer and closer towards power hour. Now I feel more comfortable. See that? Everything's working in my favor because I sat on my hands and waited. I didn't force anything. Look at that. You're losing your price actions real quick. Going from these highs here, and look at that. Getting weaker and weaker. Everything's starting to turn. Your indicators are starting to turn. Now you're cracking right back under your open. Now that should be turning the candle on the daily red. And especially once we crack under the VWAP, that's definitely a wrap. Because especially before we crack the VWAP, that's going to put us underneath all the indicators. That's going to put us underneath the indicators. That's going to put us underneath the VWAP. So basically all your resistance is going to be stacking. Easy money. I mean, everything just played out the way that it should. I mean, like I said, my downtrend worked out the way that it should perfectly. So let me go to a 10.5. Let me see. Even though I use a 10.3. I mean, even on a 5 minute, I mean, you can clearly see that. Like, if I clear out these lines and just focus on just the pattern itself, watch this. If I take off all of this, even this channel, just focus on the trend. Just focus on this downtrend. Let me take all of this off because we haven't cracked and we haven't broken around none of these areas yet. So look at this. Look at this downtrend. Look at this huge downtrend setup. Look at this. See that? Boom. Descending. Boom. Descending setup. Real quick. All you had to do is wait for those lines to touch here, and look, here. All connected. All connected. All I did was just sit on my hands and be patient. I didn't force anything. I waited. I got off chat, off the live, and then got back on live. just waiting on my opportunity. That's it. Now we're getting back underneath the open here. You can see that getting rejected. See how it got rejected here? Came on down. Look right here. Everything else that was holding up that support is now turning back into what? Resistance. Turning right back into resistance. You bounced here. You bounced here. Look where we at. Underneath support. Now, support is now what? Resistance. Just sit on your hands and again, allow the trade to come to you. Don't force anything. Again, I didn't jump into any trade. I was just sitting here waiting on the right opportunities. I was waiting on these highs and exactly where it hit it at. See? Exactly where it hit. See that that high we had earlier this morning? Around 470.69. All I did was wait. We didn't hit it here. We didn't hit it here. But look where we hit it at. Boom. Patience. Patiently waited. Waited for the setup. So now, let me look at my contracts. So now I can start setting myself up. I feel a little bit more comfortable now that everything didn't pan itself out. We got 3 minutes until power hour. Let's see where we go from this point. All right, let me get my contracts real quick. Let me see if I need to update mine. Update my contracts since we move in these areas. Let me check. Let me see. And then my delta's moving up on my contracts too. So again, I'm not trying to stay in and out. I mean, long anyway. In and out, I'm done. So where we at? We down to, what was the low one? It's 60 cents? Oh, shit, I should have got it 60 cents. I still would have made a good profit. And that bad boy ran all the way to $10, too. SMA, Giovanni, the 9 EMA, which is my blue line, 9 EMA, 20 EMA, and the 50 SMA. And I mean, those three are my go-tos. That's what I used to trade with. Like, I mean, they are my go-tos. I love them to death. That's what helps me stay calm when I'm trading. Because I wait for certain patterns. I wait for certain setups. So like the way I'm not trading right now, how I'm just sitting on my hands waiting for the patterns to set up even with my indicators. Again, I'm waiting for confirmation. I still got an hour to go to trade, so it's no rush for me to, no rush at all. Still waiting on confirmation. Still waiting on the setup. Waiting on my lines. Everything to align itself. Getting to certain key areas. I'm just being patient. That's all I'm doing. Being very patient. And you see, the indicators are starting to slowly come down because what I want to do, my game plan is I want the indicators to come together. Instead of making a floor, I want it to make a ceiling. Kind of like, let me show the example, right? Well, what a good prime example was it right here? I think right here in pre-market this morning. Yes, let me take this line off real quick. Yeah, so you see right here, you had the 50, you had your 20, you had your 9, you had your VWAP. See how they all came together? And SPY had nowhere to go. And that boy just dropped. See what I mean? And then once it got back on the right side of momentum, it went on up. Because now your 50 is at the bottom, your 20 is in the middle, your 9 is at the top, it goes on up. So now I want to see the revert. I want to see the opposite. So I'm just sitting here patiently waiting for everything to set itself up, just being patient. I should have got in around at 70 and held, because that would have been a good opportunity. So we got 1 more minute until power hour. 1 more minute. Oh, no, about to be now. Here we go. Power hour started to kick in. So now we're in power hour. So let's see what's happening. Let's see what type of momentum move is in now. Will we see more of a heavier drop? Will we see a pop? Let's see what's going to happen. So, I mean, so far we're underneath the indicators. But what I want to see is, like I said, I like to see crossovers. You know how AK-47, I was talking about the Thanos crossovers? See, I'm going to come up with my own crossover. No problem, Giovanni. I'm going to come up with the name of my crossovers. I don't know what I'm going to call it, though. I'm going to call it something like nice. So I'm looking at my contracts. I'm still going over my contracts at this moment. Everything's still looking good. So we still haven't got a cross yet. I'm just still watching. See, when you don't get a full crossover, this is what happens. When you think it's about to drop, Giovanni, You see how strong that 50 is at the bottom? You see when you look like the 9 MA and the 20 MA want to cross. You see how because the fact is you had a gap right here, it bounced. They took advantage of this bounce and went right back on up. See, I like to see when they're together. It's like no gaps in between, none of the indicators. It's just a straight drop down. See, look like it's what it's about to do now. Patience, patience. Look at that. Y'all rejected at this line I had. Look at this. Patience. Patience. Let the market come to you. Let it set itself up. Let it do what it got to do. Patience, man. Look at this. Puts, you winning. All you got to do is be patient. Wait for it to come right back up to that high that we hit this morning. This high here, go across the board. Look at that. Reject it, reject it, reject it, reject it. Look at that. Bad boy coming right back on down. Ooh, ooh. That's what I'm talking about. Patience. I told you. Have patience. Man, let it set itself up. Don't rush anything. Yeah, let the charts set itself up and then you go for it. Don't just jump into anything. Don't do that, man. Don't set yourself up for failure. I told you, I trade with confidence. I trade with patience. I have a game plan when I go into my trades. I have straight patience when I do these things. I mean, that bad boy, now you pulling. Because like I said, what you want to see is you want to see a crossover from this point. Right now, we still haven't got a crossover just yet. Still haven't got a crossover, but I feel like it's coming. See, we didn't catch a full crossover here because you see how it bounced? I mean, how it just kind of hung around the VWAP in the 50 and it kind of curled right back on up. You want to see a complete crossover kind of like this, but the opposite way. You want to see it go down this way. Let me see. It might have been a crossover on the 3 minute because normally the 5 it don't normally cross unless you have a nice move on it. Let's see. Let me go to my 3 minute. Oh shoot! Now you want to? God dog it! Wait! Don't you better not start dropping just yet. Wait! Oh, you dirty MFer! Wait! This is what I was waiting on. God dog it! Oh, this is what I wanted. This is what I was waiting. This is what I was waiting for the whole time. Go back up. Wait. Not yet. I know I should have jumped in. I should have jumped in until when I was up here. Because, I mean, I seen it. Yep, look where we at. Right back on the 740. Remember that we was testing that this earlier? Remember that? We kept hitting, came on down. Hitting, came on down. Hitting, came on down. Then we broke above it. Look what's happening. We right back underneath it. Resistance all over again. So you know what that means. You can only test it so many times before it gives in. We right back underneath where? 470. So that's showing that. And look at them indicators. Ooh. Uh-oh. Let's see. Because that look like trouble coming. That look like trouble is a-coming. Let me see. I'm trying to check my contracts out real quick before it start to drop. Hold up. Wait. Let me get my contract set up. I want to make sure I'm in the right areas. Come on up one more time. Before you get that flush. Don't drop yet. Go up. Oh, I got 3 minutes. Cool. Don't start dropping yet. You better not. Don't do it. Don't you do it. Don't. Come on. Give me a push. One more push and then drop. Then you can drop all you want to. I don't care what you do from this point. Because now, the fact is you're underneath all your indicators. You're underneath your VWAP. You're underneath 470. You're underneath your open. You're underneath the downtrend. You see all those layers of resistance you have? That's going to cause a panic. That's about to cause a drop, baby. That drop coming. You see it. I told you that downtrend, man, you got to pay attention to your patterns. I waited till this time for this to happen. I sat out here. All I waited for this. That's all I was waiting for. Patience. And that was at what? Going on 3 o'clock or power hour? Patience. For everything to happen to go my way. That's it. Patience. Now your indicators are reversing. Indicators are showing weakness. Now you back testing that 470, which you know 470 is going to be resistance. Can look at your indicators. Look. Slowly crossing. Look at that. That bad boy crossing. That shit, I see weakness. I see weakness. I see further downside coming. Because we back underneath 470. We back underneath that main in the resistance area that we kept fighting earlier. We back underneath that bad boy. Back underneath VWAP, as I mentioned. We got to crack the 469.40. And then the main area we need to crack is that 468.84. We definitely need to crack that. Because that's going to do away with that support level. Because that's what's been holding it up throughout the whole intraday. Right here, 468.84. You bounced. You bounced. You bounced. So once we crack that strong support, once we crack it, we'll turn it to what? Strong resistance. Come on, man. Give me one little side. I know I should have got in up here. Tacky. And what was the lowest on that too when it went up there? 35 cents. I should. Oh, boy, 35 cents was the lowest too. All right, here we go. Here we go. That's what I wanted. Give me a little bit of pop up before you start this. Before you start your drop. All right, come on. Give me a little move back on up before you start setting yourself up for a drop. Don't start dropping yet. Give me one good green candle. Just one little move on up and then just tank it. Tank it. Do what you want. And it's going to start tanking right now. Bid 5 going to start tanking. You better not. Oh, you dirty You see what I mean? Patience. You got to just wait it out. You got to wait it out. You got to pay attention to your patterns, man. You got to pay attention to the patterns. I mean, I waited to, again, I didn't jump in the morning. I didn't jump in lunch hours. I had to wait towards power hour. But I had to be patient. I had to let the trade come to me. And look what's happening. Look at this. All based off of that channel I had. Look at that. Boom. Went on down. Went on up. Went on up. Went on up. Boom. Went on down. When did I change the lines to my channel? And anybody answer me that right now. When did I change the lines to my channel? And it played perfectly. Puts, went on down. Calls, went on up. Calls, went on up. Calls, went on up. Puts, boom, back on down. I can't make this up. I can't make this up. Perfect. Now I just need you to stop spiking so I can get in. It's already, you are good. All right, you confirmed to me. Good. Stop. Don't drop just yet. God dog it. Look at my contract, man. God. It moved too dang fast. Look at that. The beauty of this contract, boy. I'm telling you, this game changer on your contract. Dude, you get in with $100, 35 cents, and you wait for the right opportunities. You get on the right side of momentum. You go in. Let me see. How many contracts you get in underneath 100? What, at least 2 to 3? So that's what. So every 35 cents that is hitting from like 135, 235, you making what, $300? So from 35 cents to 135, that's 300 you add it to your account. It goes up to 235, that's $600 you add it to your account. But you see what I mean? The power of it. If you're on the right side of momentum on how your contracts can work for your small accounts, boom. See what I mean? Told you. Wait for the right opportunities. Wait for the right opportunities to present itself, and then you go for it. Don't just jump in anywhere. You have to study your patterns, understand your price points, then you know when to get in. I didn't jump in here. I didn't jump in here. I didn't jump in here. I waited till we got up here. I was waiting on confirmation. Once I got that good confirmation, right here, this crossover on my indicators too, boom. I already confirmed it with my channel. Check. I already confirmed it with my downtrend. Check. Everything panned out the way it was supposed to. All right, here we go. That's all I was waiting on. All right, pop back on up to the resistance areas, then I can start to catch you. All right. Let's go. Because what I got with 310. So 440 still trying to hold, but we need to crack that area too. Definitely need to crack that, because you can see right here we bounce, went on up. Right here it's trying to bounce. But I think we about to start getting weak, because I don't think that area about to hold. Because look at this, that thing. I think it's about to crack. I think that 469.40 won't crack in about a few. And then I think we're gonna see the bottom. I think we're gonna see that. We're gonna see the support of 468.84. I think we're gonna see that coming up. That's definitely coming up. Because we may have not seen it here. We got close to it, but I think here we're gonna see it. And if we touch that and we don't hold, expect some new lows coming. Expect some new lows. And that's like I said, all I did was look at a channel and a pattern. That's all I did. I looked at a channel here. I looked at a channel and looked at a pattern. That's all I did. That's how I know how to time myself. That's how I know how to be patient, not jumping any plays. Because what I was going to do, I wait for it to shot up towards these areas. Boom. That's it. Be patient. And that bad boy is shooting. So I already know I got a bottom. So what's the next bottom of my contract is going to be now? Let me see. What can I see another pullback at? At around what? 78? No, that's too low. Because I guarantee you the call contract's looking bad right now. Oh, yeah. Contract. See, them call contracts fading. Them call contracts are literally fading. That bad boy getting weaker and weaker. It's down to what, 5 cents? That's terrible. But look at the call. I mean, look at the puts. Healthy as hell. Look at that. Healthy on the put side. So I'll wait for my opportunities. Wait for them bad boys, and then you jump in it. That's just the fact that I ain't got a red candle yet on the thing. That's what I was waiting on. It's all green candles that I see on this contract. I just need one little good red candle, so I can get in on the lows and just have that bad boy run on up. Come on, bro. For you, give me one. I just need one solid good look red candle before you go even higher. Come on, man. Please. I beg you, before you drop and we see that 468.84, before you do it, give me one good solid red candle so I can hop in. I don't want to buy in at the tops on these contracts. I want a good, nice little solid one. Give me one solid red, then you go back up, do what it do. All right, cool. Good. There you go. Hold this area. Don't you crack. Give me one good little red candle. I just need one red. Are you in the trade? Nope. I'm waiting for these little areas of resistance like to come up, because all I want to do is see one good solid red candle, and I can get in. Because I don't like to buy in at the tops on my contracts. I like to get in like on like nice little pullbacks where I know it can run right back on up. So I don't mind it running right back on up and it coming right back on down. Because you underneath all the main areas. Your VWAP, because it hasn't tested the VWAP on the downside yet. See, you broke through it, but we haven't tested it back on up to get rejected. So that's what I was waiting on. We broke through it, but we haven't went up to test it to get rejected. So that's what I'm waiting on right now to see if it's going to test it. Where's the, that'd be where? 69.90? So 69.90. So where we at right now? 69.60. So about 30 cents off. So you see, this is what I want. I don't mind it. Let it do what it do. Let it go back on up. That's cool. Let it come right back on. Because see, what I want to do is I want it to retract right back to that indicator. Because once it retracts right back to the indicators, you're going right into resistance of your VWAP, 470, your 20, your 50. So you be running right back into resistance. So that's what I want. I don't want to buy here when I know it can run right back up real quick. I just want to wait on it. You better not fall. Man, come on. God. see, Spotlight playing my emotions, man. I swear. Come on, man. I know you want to go back up and test it one good time. You haven't tested it yet. Because I want to see it. See, like I said, we broke through the VWAP, but we haven't bounced and went back up to test it for resistance. That's what I'm waiting on. Waiting on for a nice little bounce, go back on up and get rejected, come back on down. So we haven't got that yet. That's what I was waiting on. Man, it better not start. What was the low on this? Oh, you dirty mother. Oh, it did catch a red candle and I missed it. Oh, It caught the red candle. I was too busy looking here. Because the low on this candle was at 120. I could have got in at 120 right. I was too busy looking here, and I took my eyes off of my contract. Come on, man. I could have got in right here. The low was 120 on my contract. I could have got in at 120 and been riding that bad boy on up. You know what? I'm gonna have to leave it. Oh shoot, I did it again. You know what? Bump this. Let me set up my choice. I was too busy watching the dang, and I missed it right there too. I was talking about a red candle, and the red candle, yeah, dirty, just dirty. Stop treating me like this. Stop treating me like a stepson, Spy, please. Stop beating me. I am not Tina, and you are not Ike. Stop beating me, please. And look, God. That's the red candle I wanted. And look, it's shooting up. You dirty. God. Man. Minute I took my eyes off the red candle that I was looking for, looking at this crap, I missed my candle that I wanted, and the low was at 120. Oh, God. Boy. See what I mean by sometimes it's hard to look at my contracts and look at this at the same time. I gotta look back and forth. Had I would have kept my eyes on my contract, I would have. Yeah. Let me see if I'm gonna catch another one. Let me see. Cause I mean, I'm gonna just keep my contract here. I mean, that's the only way. I'm gonna just have to keep my contract on this side. Cause trying to look this way and look this way is throwing me off. I gotta look at these contracts this way. Man. Yeah, it threw me off. It threw me off big time. Could have got in, got out. Cause I wasn't trying to hold it. I could have got in at 120. Cause the low on that candle was 120. You can see it up here. It was 120. Could have got in here. And what was the highs? 220. That was a $100 move in about how many minutes? 5 minutes? Whew. I tell you. I can't win with Spy. I swear, Spy like to do this foreplay with me. He like the foreplay the crap out of me. I'm gonna keep my eyes here. Bump this. I ain't gonna let it trick me again. I'm not doing this. Cause there's only so many times you can keep trying to keep catching the bottoms before you actually get caught at the top. See, I'm not trying to get caught at the top like this type of crap. I'm trying to catch a bottom for it to move back on up and not get played. Ugh, you dirty. I could have got in and out that fast. I was looking for a red candle the whole time, and the minute I took my eyes off on it to look at this side, that's cool. So basically, I'm not gonna get in on the put here. That's not what I want. So basically, what I'm looking for is I wanted to go up. I wanted to go up so I can get a red candle on here. So I want to break back up because what I wanted to do is I wanted to test around these areas as far as the VWAP, because the VWAP is now resistance, and including your 470 is resistance because you broke through them. Now what I wanted to do is come back up to test it because now it's not support anymore, it's resistance, and then come back on down. It just, man, it played the crap out of me. Because the thing about it, I'm not trying to hold it for long. I'm trying to get in and out. I could have did it. I could have got in and out just now. And I was too busy looking here for a move on up that this whole time it was making a red candle on the see, it's making a red candle now, but God, spies like to play with my emotions. I swear to God, it plays with my emotions too much. Ah, you dirty. Boy. Boy. Look what it's doing. You. I waited all this time to get on for the right position, and look what happened. That's what I'm saying. You gotta time this so perfect. You gotta time it just right. Cause I'm trying to do a trade in front of y'all, so y'all can see that I do my trades. I want y'all to see this in real time that I'm trying to get into my trades. But it's like I'm trying to time it because I don't want to get caught. I don't want to trade it here because I don't want to jump in and it spikes up into resistance and then I get shot out of my position. I want to see it spike up now, like here, and then get into a position. See, it's doing the opposite. It's like it's playing with me. I want to see it move on up here to test the VWAP, which will make my contracts go on down because we already got lows. We already got the lows already at 35, right? So the next area lows that I'll probably be anticipating to be around the ones because I want it to be a higher low. So I want it to go up. I want to spike to bring this down towards the ones or the low 60s, whatever, because we already done established the first bottoms, which is the 30s. Now I wanted to establish a second bottom, which would be higher than the 30s, which would be in the 40s, 50s, 60s, but it's creating like a higher low. Tip, now you want to go on up. Now you want... I'm not about to do this foreplay... Excuse my language. I'm not about to do this foreplay crap with SPY right now. I'm not doing this. Okay, here we go. This is what I wanted. Man. Shoot. Man. Driving me crazy. All right, go on up, man. Stop playing with me. Keep going. Go up to that VWAP. Go. You didn't foreplay me enough. Get your ass up. God, I'm cursing, but get your ass up there. Stop playing with me. Go. Because where's the VWAP? Is that 469.80, 469.90, something like that? Where we at? 469.50? Man, come on, bro. Dude. Can you see how, and it's perfect too. Can you see how the 20 EMA is lining up right with the VWAP? So that's two lines of resistance, and you still got the 470. So that's 3 lines of resistance. So that's why I wanted to keep pushing I wanted to hit towards those resistance and then turn. But it's playing with me right now. It's literally playing games with me right now, and I'm losing my cool. Keep pushing. You might as well go ahead and just push it on up towards the VWAP, then come back on down. Because the indicators are getting closer and closer towards these little areas. Man. Because I'm not trying to hold this play for long. I'm trying to get in and out. But I needed to get to the areas that I want. I'm not just trying to jump in because of emotions and all that. Because I'm trying to lead by example. But, can't win right now. Man, y'all seeing this, man. Y'all seeing exactly what this crap doing to me right now. It's playing with my emotions. Ooh. Look at that. Mm-hmm. Dude. Y'all see what SPY doing to me right now. This foreplay bullcrap what it's doing. You funny. SPY, you funny. You are hilarious. Your mama ain't... I mean, it's above the indicators. That's a good thing. You know, even on the contract. I mean, that's a good thing. I mean, you see, you done bounced out. You bounce. So now these areas are holding up as support. So that's good. So I don't need you to keep going up though. Man, wait till I get there so you can get the drop. Cause I know that's what you want to do. But all right. Give me one more pullback. Okay. I'm gonna have to just do it. I'm gonna have to just snakeskin Randy. Snakeskin Randy. I'm about to do it. I'm just letting y'all know it's coming. Where I'm at. Where's my let me look at my time. Where's my time at? I'm about to just do it. I got to. Cause it's only gonna get higher and higher. It's gonna keep playing with me. All right, give me a little pullback. Whatever you do. Go ahead. Freaking. Boy, I swear to. All right, give me a pullback because you already at these levels. Go ahead. Man. So what are these? These are what, 4? Damn, I'm seeing the 450s though, because I'm not trying to get in. All right, just give me a red candle. Shoot, give me a red candle, bro. Because you're going to play with my emotions. I bet when I. All right, here we go. Let me see, 150. Give me 150. Let me see if it's gonna catch me 150. Let me just see. I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna try it. Dude. Oh my God. Dude, it's not even funny. Like, dude, this. I swear it's not even funny. I swear it's not funny. Y'all see me trying to get in. Y'all see me trying to jump. Okay. What I got left on this stupid candle? What's gonna be the next candle? Come on, man. Come on. Okay. Because I know it's about to make a move for the upside. I'm trying to get in before it get too high. Okay. What's the next low areas? I told it's gonna build some higher lows. Because once we establish this low here, then one. Okay, so what's gonna be the next? Where's moving at too? So about 460-ish. 460. What I got left on this candle? Cause see, I'm playing the 5-minute candle on this one, and I'm looking at the 3-minute candle on this one. So that's why the candles are taking more longer, and it's kind of getting on my nerves. No. Come on, man. Please don't do this to me. Before you go on this run, Jeez. All right, pull back. All right, I got 1 more minute for this next candle before the next candle pop up. So I wonder if the next candle's gonna just pull back and then go like on a nice little move. Boy. All right, give me back down to low twos. Let me see. Cause I'm not trying to get in too high, man. I want to buy around these dang high areas because I see what it's doing. Cause I don't want to get stuck in these high freaking areas. I see exactly what it's doing. See, I bet 5 if I jump in, it's too high. See? Do we form? Oh yeah, the next candle don't even form yet. It's gonna go back under $2. See, I already know what it's about to do. All right, pull back. Cause if you think you about to catch me on them high ass moves, you got me twisted. So 150 again. Let me check 150. Let me see if I'm gonna catch it. Will it pull back? All right, I'm in. All right, I'm into this little area. Man, it's gonna play. I swear it's gonna play with my emotions right now. Watch. It's gonna play with my emotions. It's gonna play. See what I mean? It's gonna play. It's gonna go up and down. It's going up and down. Watch. Now I'm gonna have to add another. See, I knew it was gonna do that. So I'm gonna have to wait. I'm gonna add another contract. What I got left? What can I add left on now? Still holding. Still keep my eyes on this dang. Boy. See, watch. I bet 5. Now that I got in, now it's gonna want to test that damn VWAP. Now I'm gonna have to add another contract. I knew that was gonna happen. I knew it was gonna do this crap. Watch. I knew it. So right down 50. I still haven't added my other contract yet. I'm still just adding one. See, I knew it. I knew it was gonna do that. I knew it. But it's still holding. See, watch. It's gonna play around. Watch until it breaks this level. Watch this. I'm gonna get played around on this shit. I already know what's about to happen. The area that I wanted, I bet 5 was gonna happen. Now I'm gonna have to add it to a lower area. I knew that was gonna happen. That's cool. I'm gonna catch a bottom. Let's let it do its thing. I'll catch a lower one. I'll average down. That's cool. I'll average down. That's cool. Let it go down even further. Let it go up and watch. It's gonna test what I told you. Gonna test the freaking the VWAP now when I wanted it to. That's cool. I'm gonna keep going lower. So let it test that bad boy. That's what's up. Now you want to do what I want you to do. Now you want to do it. I'm gonna just keep letting it go down. Cause I want to go back. I guess it's gonna go back towards these little areas, towards these little lows. That's cool. Let it go back. I want to see how low we're gonna test these lows again. I'm gonna just add right in these little bottoms. And I knew it. I knew it was gonna do that crap. I knew it. I knew it. I felt the minute I got in here, it's gonna go towards the area I wanted. I literally wanted it. So watch, once I get in this area, I'm gonna add more. So that's how I do it. So once I get into these little key areas, then I'm gonna add. I'm gonna see if it's gonna even go up that high or we're gonna turn back around again. I'm gonna cover my lows. I'm gonna bring my average down. So I got it, what, 150? That's cool. I knew it. I knew it was gonna do that crap. I knew it. I had a feeling it was gonna go towards the area I wanted it. I said the VWAP. The minute I took my eyes off on it, it does it. I'm like, okay, that's cool. I'm gonna catch them lows. I wanna see how low it's gonna go. Cause I know the lows are what, 35. I wanna see how low we're gonna actually go. Cause I'm not gonna put in until I see it touch here. I wanna see it touch. Then I'll add more. But I wanna see exactly what it's gonna do. Oh, yeah, my bad, boss. Yeah, I mean, like I said, I had a feeling it was going to do that, but that's why I didn't want to get up this high, because I had a feeling it was going to do some stupid crap like that. I was like, nah. That's why I got in halfway. I got in like at 150, and I only got in with one contract. I always average in. So I'm going to just see. I'm going to wait till get towards these highs again. I'm going to wait to add more. Got to be patient. I'm going to let it go towards these lows again. It's going to bring my average down. I just knew it was gonna do some stupid crap like that. I felt it coming. I felt it coming. I just knew it. I knew it. I'm gonna keep it on watch. I'm gonna keep watching it. That's why I always go in with one. I never go in full position. I always wait. I test. What the VWAP at? The VWAP is where 69, what, 80? Still hasn't hit it yet. Still hasn't hit that, nor near the 470 marks just yet. I like to time it damn near perfect. If it go back up and I miss my contract, I'm gonna be pissed. I miss adding another contract, man. Wait, don't you start making the bottom just yet. Wait. What's your low? What's the lows on these? 45. What I got left? So 48. So I was trying to get 40, but I think I was aiming too low. Too low. Let me see. It might go down to 40. Nah, let me watch. Let me just keep it on watch. Let me see what it's gonna do. Let me keep it on watch. Go ahead and push. Go ahead and push. Because I'm going to cover the bottoms. Like right here, we got these lows. I'm going to try to cover up the bottoms. So I got in right here, this mid area here, which wasn't too bad. So I got this mid area. Then I'm about to get another mid area. I mean, another with a low area. So I'm trying to get as low as possible. Like I said, the lowest I get is going to lower my average. You better not start dropping just yet. I didn't even add my second contract. Wait. All right. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Because I want to see you test. Before you go back down, I want to see a test. All right, cool. See, it kept throwing me off, man. Like, I mean, right when I was wanting this, this is what I wanted at first, was this red candle. Really, this what I wanted. And then getting in and out. Oh, you better not start moving back on up yet. Dude, not yet. Don't you? No! I didn't add my other contract. You better not drop. Dude, wait. I didn't have my I didn't add my second contract yet. Oh, you dirty MF. Now I want to start moving back on up. I didn't even put in my other contract, man. I was trying to lower my average. Let me see what it's gonna do. Cause it's fine for support, but I was trying to go into the 40s, man. I was trying to go in low. I mean, a little bit lower, cause I want to get as close to that bottom as possible. Cause the lower I can go, the more I can average, like make my average a little bit better. Don't you start going back on up just yet. Wait it on out. All right, hold it. Just wait. All right, here we go. Let me see if I catch them. All right, here we go. Who's these lows here? Boom, boom, boom. Man, it's already about to feel like it want to jump up already. See, it's moving up. Like, I was trying to add my other contract, man. I'm not trying to just do one. Shoot. And I don't want to add too high because I was trying to lower my average. I want to see what this bad boy about to do. Are we going to go back up or are we going back down? What you going to do? What are you going to do? All right, here we go. We think it's trying to move back on up at this 40 mark. 69.40. Because it looked like it want to hold it. Okay, here we go. Well, is it? Yeah, it look like it's trying to hold. All right, cool. So I'm going to pull back on down one more time. Cool. I was trying to get some more lows. Let me see how low this bad boy can go. I'm going to try to cover as low as possible. Because I want to go as high as I can around these resistant areas before the drop. But it looks like I want to start getting weak already, though. Oh, come on, man. Don't. This drives me crazy. It's just, now you want to play around with me. Now, now I want to consolidate. Now when I'm in it, instead of just dropping and moving, it's like, this foreplay crap, I swear to goodness. This foreplay drives me crazy. It looks like it want to drop, though. And if it drop, I mean, I'll take it. I mean, time the case starts to begin an issue. Yeah, well, that's why I didn't get in. That's why I got in at the right. I didn't hold it for long. So let's see. Because all I need is a nice little move on up because I haven't been in there long. So. I mean, because it's juggling right in between these little areas. And like I said, I still haven't even added my other contract yet. I'm still sitting on one. And it's moving, like, it want to keep jumping on up, but I'm like, I haven't even added my other one yet before I even make a move. Oh, come on. Keeping it on watch. Keeping it on watch. Let me see what it do. It's like I don't know what he want to do. It's like he want to go down and need that because I'm telling you, at 469.40, it's gonna hold some type of. So once we crack that, we good. So that's what I'm trying to see which way that we actually going. Are we gonna actually crack this 69.40? It's gonna push me back on up, but I didn't even have my other contracts. You son of a, bruh, come on, man. Sitting game, sitting game, sitting game. Here we go. Here we go. It's pushing back on up. Like, yep, we cracking it. I don't think I might see my lows no more. Shoot, 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 shoot. Well, I mean, if I don't catch it, I mean, it is what it is. Man, it's like just sitting here. It's like a sitting game, man. It's like, ugh. And then I got it on 3 minutes. I thought the 3 minute candles would have moved a little faster. Cause it looked like it want to crack it. It looked like like it wants to go down to that 468 mark. Cause it's moving back on up. But see, it keeps pushing. It keeps holding up in this little area. Cause it looked like it literally wants to just dump. it looked like it just wants to break that 468.84 mark and just crack. But see, it's still holding. See what I mean? Still holding. Still holding. See, still holding. Still like stuck in this little area right quick. Cause I see selling pressure. I mean, I see a lot of seller pressure. Like I said, we need to crack this 468 mark. Once I see that 468.84 crack, I mean, I'm in good standing. I just want to see it crack. I want to see if we're going to get away from this 469.40 down to the 468.84 mark, crack that mark, and then see lower lows. Because it looked like it want to do it. Oh, there you go. Let me see. Let me see if it's going to actually get it, though. Will we crack that bad boy? Look like it want to. Yep, I'm going back on up, though. We're going back on up, tell you that. Going back on up to the upside. So, losses turn back into gains. Hell yeah, hell yeah. I'll take that. Matter of fact, I'm going to just take 20. I'm going to just take 10. Only because I want to just put myself in a better position. Should have got in higher. I'm gonna just be smart about it. Cause I should have got in at a low, but y'all see me. I took 10. Cause I want to be smart about it. So I took 10 because I should have got in. I should have got in the higher. So where like you were saying, about that time decay, Pete wouldn't drag out. Cause I don't know if we're gonna get a break or not. So I just took 10 just to could have gotten a better position. See, that's why I didn't want to. That's why I got out. Cause all this up and down bull crap. I was like, nah. So I took 10. Shit, I could have took a better position in that, but I mean, you can see my little feels. Got in at 50, got out at 60. Just took 10. It was just too much up and down. And normally when it does that, like you saying, it affects your contracts. I was like, ugh. So I'm gonna just put myself in a better position. So if we go higher, I can do it, but I should have got way up here and then did that. Then I just put myself in a dumb position. So I'd rather take a small green than no green at all, or a loss. bump it. I just got it. I just tested it, got in and got out. So as you can see, I mean, $10, boom, bump it, took it. It's just because I want to put myself in a better position. Now, bet 5 when I get out, you better not drop after I get. See, and I got in at what, 150? Yeah, I was in at 150. See what I mean? Look what would have been happening. The time the cable kicked in, is doing all this bull crap. See that? That's a good thing I got out. I got out. I was in at 150. I got out at 160. You better not start moving on up after I got out. But I swear to. Ooh. You better not. Bruh. You know what? I'm not gonna cry about it. I mean, I'm not gonna. It's the past. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. I'd rather get in a better position. I took a little $10 game, bump it, better than nothing. $10. I'll just set myself up for the next one. Cause it just keep playing around in this layer area. I don't trust it because that time decay gonna start to kick in. See what I mean? Look, see what it's doing right now? Had I would have stayed in my position, I'm just see. It's going up and down, up and down. That time decay gonna start to take effect. See, I'd have been losing. I'd have been going from 150 down to 130, down to 120, down. I mean, I probably would have had like almost a $70 loss. See, going right back up. See, yep. Good thing I got out. I'll take that. Good thing I trusted my instincts. I was like, nope, I can't do it. I gotta get out. Gotta get out. I'll take a little $10 game, bump it, better than nothing. It is what it is. Y'all see me do it. Even though I wanted to get in here, and I blew it. I should have got in lower, rolled it on up, but here's what it is. But good thing I got out because look what's happening. So if I would have stayed in at 150 where I got in at, look at this. I'd have been down at 9. I would have been down at 40. So if it would have went all the way down to 50, that would have been a $100 loss. Yep, from 50 to 50, $100 loss. So good thing I got out. I trusted my instincts, got out. Just wait for another trade. Bump it. It is what it is. So y'all see me trade. I mean, I just like I said, I wait for the next setup to present itself. Anyway, I'm about to soon get off because that was aggravating. That pissed me off. Wasted a damn day trade on that crap when I had the right mindset, but you know, this little area I had a feeling it was gonna be tricky. Cause we haven't cracked that 468.84 just yet, and I bet you the minute I open my mouth was gonna crack it. I swear you better not. What you just put me through, you better not do it. You better not crack foot. I know better. I know better. I swear, if you crack that and I done got out, I'm going to be pissed off. I'm keeping on watch. Man, I swear to God, I don't mean to swear, but you wind up cracking after I done got out. I'm going to be, oh. Let me look at my contract so I can get mad. Let me see. I want to look at my contract so I get pissed off right now. If that damn thing cracked and I didn't got out of this position, I'm gonna be highly pissed. I'm gonna be purely just surely pissed real quick. I'm gonna be mad. Well, was this it? No, that's a call contract. It's not. Wait, it's not it. Where's my call contracts at? I mean my put. I don't think I closed it. Nope, that's my call. Did I close it? Oh, I must have closed it out. Oh, I must have closed it. Oh, you Oh! Oh! Oh my God! Oh! Oh, you! Oh! Oh! Oh, oh my God. Oh, oh, oh. No, you didn't. No, you didn't. Oh my God. Oh my. Y'all seeing this, right? Y'all see? Oh my. Oh, okay. You know what? I'm not. Let me switch it over. Let me switch it over. Look at my contract. Remember where I got in at? Where I got in at? 150. Got out at 160. And look. Oh, and it shot. It shot up to $4. After I get out, are you serious? I get out at 160, and right here, and you shoot up the. Y'all seeing this? Pete, y'all seeing this, right? After I get out of my play, y'all. Oh, you dirty. Oh my God. You know what? It's time for me to get off. Y'all saw that. Spy literally just played me. The minute I got out, it shot. I got in and one. You know what? I'm not about to do this. I'm not about to do this. I can't believe that just happened. That literally just happened. I bought in at 150, got out at 160, and you up at 2. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. And you still dropping after I get out. Oh, and it's at 300. Oh, it's still going. Oh my goodness. It's at 430. No. No. You better not go into the fives. And I literally just got out. Y'all seeing this, right? Y'all seeing this, right? Dude is in the 500. Oh my God. I took a $10 loss to. I mean, not $10 loss, I'm sorry. $10 profit. I'm only made $10 in this shot up after I get out. Look, I bought in at 150, got out at 160, made $10, and this bad boy shot after I get out. Now it's at 4. Oh, that's my sister. Damn, everybody calling me today. Hello?
Why are you answering like somebody about this?
Why what? What did you say?
Why are you answering like somebody dying?
I was dying because a trade just played the crap out of me, and I'm on live right now, and everybody can hear you. You're on the phone right now too. They can hear you on my live. Oh, she hung up. She say bye, bye, bye. She gonna be on my live. You gonna be famous. Oh, let's see, did it shot back up. So let me see where it's at now. So what the contract, bro? This don't make no sense. Y'all watching this happen in real time. So where's that now? What? No, that's the I thought it was on the wrong one. Now you, damn. So it went back down. Oh, back into the 60s and dude, look where it's at. It's back in the 50s and 40 cents. Yeah, I'm not playing with this. Yeah, it's time for me to exit. It's time for me to get off. I'm not doing this. I'm not about to play with Spy today. I took my little $10 profit. Hey, I'll take $10. It is what it is. I'm good. Can you move? Oh, my bad, boss. I wasn't even paying attention. I was too hyped. Yeah, I'm about to get out. Yeah, it's time for me to go. I'm about to roll out. So yeah, I'm gonna set myself up because I'm not about to let these emotions get the better of me. I'm not doing this. But y'all seen I was on the right side of momentum. I got into a trade. I showed it in real time. Y'all seen me. get into a trade. Y'all seen how the way I trade. I waited for my movements. Spy played the crap out of me just now. After I get out at 160, shoots up to $4 once I get out. Y'all seen it in real time. But despite on the movement that it made, y'all seen that I was on top of my game. I waited for my trade. I waited for my play to set itself up. You know, you see how the way I trade. Y'all see my way of thinking. I didn't hide anything from you guys. I traded right here in real time. Y'all see me get in. You see me get out. I made a $10 profit. Is what it is. I'll just wait for the next setup. But again, I want to be as real and authentic with y'all as possible. Like, I don't want to hide anything. I want to be honest with y'all. I want to be real with y'all. I love all of y'all. I don't care if y'all on my Instagram. If y'all on my Twitter, my Twitch, my Facebook, Rumble, YouTube, whatever the case. I want to be as real and honest with y'all as possible. I don't want to hide anything. I want to do a trade right in front of y'all, whether it's a gain, whether it's a loss. But you see the way that I trade. I take my time. I go in with ease. I don't rush. I go by patterns. And I mean, I want to just start leading by example more and more and more. So I want to continue. And thank y'all so much. Thank you, Trader J. Thank y'all, everybody. But I want to continuously keep doing this for y'all, you know, as I keep, you know, elevating. So I'm up with $6.70 now, $10. Bull crap. I ain't tripping. But I'm about to be heading out, everybody. I will be back in tomorrow morning at 10. I might go in a little early. I might not even do no 10:15. I might just go ahead and start going in a little bit earlier in advance. So either between 10 o'clock or 9:45. Matter of fact, let me check out to see when the cause we have some data coming out tomorrow, right? For Thursday, correct? Yep, 9:45. So, okay, so I'll go in after 9:45 after the S&P Find the U.S. Service PMI comes out. Then I'll go in. So y'all have my word. After 9:45, which would be what 8:45 on my end, ish. All right. Yeah, 8:45 on my end, whatever the case. But yeah, I will be getting in right after the economic data's come out, and we'll just start the process from there because I'm ready to rock and roll. I'm ready to continuously keep trading in front of you guys, showing y'all how I trade. You know, again, wins, losses. I want to be as real with y'all from this day forth all the way to the end of this year. I'm going to keep everything real, 110%. Y'all see me trade. I'm not hiding anything, so y'all know I'm the real deal. Y'all see how I trade. And the money I could have made if Spy wouldn't have played me, you know, I could have easily made $300 to $400 in a matter of seconds. Y'all saw that for yourself on what just happened. So y'all seen I was on the right side of momentum, and I stuck to my game plan. Y'all seen that crap. So y'all seen the proof. But again, man, I love y'all guys. I thank y'all so much for tuning in. And we're going to keep rocking and rolling. And again, I will be in, let's just say 10 o'clock. Let's just do that. 10 o'clock Eastern, 9 o'clock Central on my time. So 10 o'clock, we're going to just iron out all that bull crap. 10 o'clock, I'll be in. So congratulations to all you traders who did trade. If you didn't trade, sit on your hands, wait for the next opportunity. The bell has rung. That is time for me to get out of here. So till then, y'all have a blessed night. I will see y'all tomorrow morning for Throw It in the Bank Thursday. So y'all have a blessed one, man. Peace. And before I head out, don't forget to comment, share, subscribe, like on all my platforms. Do your boy a solid. Let's get the algorithms going, ripping and running. So please do me a solid. You know, I don't care if it's donations. I don't care. Whatever the case may be. You know, tips, likes, comments. I don't care. Just spread out the word. Let's get rock and rolling, man. We're gonna blow up for 2024. So I'm about to head out. But y'all be blessed. I'll see y'all tomorrow morning. Peace.